How to fix Monopoly Go not working. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. So for this you will have to open up the settings of your device, and after that you need to scroll down and find the applications. In applications you will find the option of manage apps. Just click on it, then search for Monopoly Go over here. After that open it up and click on storage. And over here you will find the option of cache memory and the user data. All you have to do is just click on this option of clear data and clear up all the data and cache memory, and this way you would be able to get rid of the corrupted files of Monopoly Go, and it should be working quite fine after that. In case if it's not working fine even after that, you can just simply update your Monopoly Go and it should be working quite fine. And that's how easy it is to make Monopoly Go work. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.